Introduction to the Sustainability Learning Suites. In this video, you'll learn about our intent in creating these learning materials, the design principles underneath the materials, and what the learning suites consist of. In the next set of videos, we'll talk about how to use them. First, a little history. A few years ago, 4 engineering faculty got together and asked, why aren't issues of sustainability more integrated into engineering curricula? We discovered that faculty didn't have classroom materials. So Julie and Jim took on the task of writing a text with some help from Jane. This text has a number of innovations, and I highly recommend it for all you environmental engineers. Jane and I took on the task of creating classroom materials that lay out the sustainability issues for a general engineering audience. And that's how the Sustainability Learning Suites were born. If you have a scientific background, you'll be able to understand the ideas in these learning suites. Now let me tell you a little about the design of the learning suites. We used a holistic model for the design framework called the Fink's Taxonomy of Significant Learning. This framework has 6 areas of development to represent the person's whole development. The areas are foundational knowledge, which represents key ideas and concepts, application, which is thinking and applying the ideas, and these 2 areas are traditionally emphasized for engineering. Integration consists of connecting ideas across different domains of your life, and integration is important for systems thinking. Human dimension includes understanding about oneself and others, and this is important for the moral and ethical development required of any citizen. Caring involves knowing about interests and values. This is also critical for being able to collaboratively design. And the last category is learning how to learn. Of course, another necessary competency for any 21st century citizen. Each of our learning suites has a set of learning objectives based on the Fink framework. So we created 5 suites that address interrelated issues: systems thinking, sustainable development, population, energy, water, and materials. Each suite contains a set of learning objectives based on the Fink Taxonomy of Significant Learning, and a set of fully editable PowerPoint presentations with slide notes, and suggested in-class and out-of-class activities. We have also created some assessment activities that integrate the ideas across the suites. Each of these items have many features that we explain in detail in other tutorials. We hope you enjoy using these learning suites.